Alright, good morning everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm going to be riding an iconic bullet train that unfortunately won't be around much longer. So right now I am heading to Okayama Station from Takamatsu Station because I went there for my sleeper train video. From Okayama Station I'll be taking the 500 series bullet train. This train just looks cool. I think most people agree that this is one of the better looking active bullet trains right now. Came out in 1997 and it's currently the oldest active bullet train here in Japan. JR West built this to compete with planes between Tokyo and Hakata. And this is also the first bullet train that hit 300 kilometers per hour. This train was originally supposed to hit 320 kilometers per hour, but they ended up capping it at 300 for safety reasons. Alright, I just got off at the last station, Okayama Station, and I'm going to be heading over to the bullet train. So I'm recording this video a few hours after the sleeper train. I didn't get much sleep on that train, so it's been a while since I crashed on a train. I only do this if I'm getting off at the last station. If anything, the train conductor can wake me up. The train I'll actually ride is this Kodama 854 at 410 heading to Shin Osaka. Kind of hard to ride the 500 series to Shin Osaka. That's because in general, there's only 6 of these trains running per day, per direction. And out of those 6, there's only 2 trains that goes all the way to Shin Osaka. If I had the choice of riding this train earlier, I would have. But this is the first 500 series train where it goes all the way to Osaka. Wait, what train is that? I forgot the name of this. It was like Rockstar or something. Oh, here, there's the name. Railstar. The announcement saying it's coming soon. Oh, here it is. This is the 500 series bullet train, Kodama 854. Heading to Shin Osaka. Holy crap. I'm so glad this train will stop for 15 minutes. I can take a picture of it. Look at how pointy the nose is. Damn, that looks so cool. There's like not many people taking pictures. In fact, there's no one taking pictures over here in the front. I guess they're not surprised by it. I'm sure there's gonna be more people taking pictures in a year or two. JR 500 West Japan. Okay, so my seat is 5A at car number 6. Here it is, car number 6. I wanted to show you something really interesting because just take a look at these seats over here and we're gonna go to the car next to it, car 5. And I'll also show you car number 4. You probably saw a difference between car 6 and 5 and 4. They're all regular reserve seat. And the reason behind that is because car 6 used to be the green car seat. So if you're taking this bullet train and want green car seat, you should book a seat in car number 6. This bullet train is unfortunately going to retire in 2027 because it's pretty old. It was made in 1997, so it's going to retire after it hits the 30-year mark. I wasn't even born yet, so it kind of feels weird that this bullet train is older than me. This bullet train used to run as a Dozomi on the Tokaido line, but it got bumped to the Sanyo line in 2010. And now it only runs as the Kodama, which stops at every single bullet train station between Shin, Osaka and Hakata. I said this earlier in the video, but most of them do stop at Okayama Station. There's only 2 of them that goes all the way to Shin Yokohama from Hakata. And I think the same goes for the other direction. Most start at Okayama Station and goes all the way to Hakata Station. But this train isn't like Dr. Yellow where you don't exactly know what time and what day it runs on. I think it runs every single day. And as for the time, you can just look up 500 series timetable and you should be able to find it. Alright, here's everyone's favorite section, the bullet train bathroom tour. Western style bathroom, toilet paper, flush sensor, emergency buzzer, I don't know if you get constipated or something, how to use the toilet guide. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be using the bathroom now. Bye bye. Alright, I'm outside the bullet train right now. This train is gonna take a 9-minute break because it's gonna wait until the faster bullet trains pass by. I thought I can see, but then unfortunately I have to go back there to see the bullet train pass by. So here you go, you can see the bullet train from here. I also wanted to go outside a bit because the bullet train is a bit hot. When that bullet train passed by, this train like moved a bit and I can't really see when the bullet train is gonna come, so it's like a freaking jump scare. The fact that it's gonna wait 9 minutes, I wonder how many bullet trains gonna pass by. Oh, it's for this one? There's a minute left until the train leaves. Oh, that was a longer train. The next station is the last station, which is Shin Osaka, so I was like, might as well just enjoy it at the deck area. The riding time wasn't necessarily longer, it's rather the waiting time. Alright, there's an announcement saying that we're almost at Shin Osaka. It's 5:19 p.m. right now and it's supposed to be there at 5:25, so 6 minutes left. Alright, so this bullet train will now head to Hakata at 5:37 p.m. Well, here's the last time we're going to see the 500 series for today. Hopefully I can see it again in a year or two before it retires. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you enjoyed this video over here too, so feel free to check that out as well. Alright, bye bye.